everyone, today I'm going to buy beef and some groceries for our dinner. Thank you for watching. Likes for more and share. Hello guys, good morning. Here we are here at the Umart or Asian store, buying crabs and meat to make cook dinner for tonight. Here, I'm here picking the female crabs. So I bought 6 pieces for $18, equivalent Philippine pesos is 1,000 pesos. So that's it, guys. Too expensive the blue crabs here in US. It's a live crabs, but it's too expensive, you know. 6 pieces for $18, equivalent in our Philippine money is maybe 1,000 pesos, you know. So we're here and looking around and more shopping. So I bought beef for make calderita, and also here. So I don't. So I buy beef stock or bone stocks, beef bones stock. So now I'm looking something. Look, my husband favorite noodles, spicy here. So there's guys 6 pieces for $7.99, $7.99. Like in total in the Philippines is like $400 plus or 450, you know. So that's quick shopping. I already did shopping there at Mexican grocery store and also the Philippine store, but I put already in the car. So now here it is Korean Oriental store. So only I grab something before I go home because some of the other place they have new stuff that I want. So here I bought oyster sauce. Normally guys, I don't go somewhere like wearing shirt, but this time because I'm lazy to so I add butter, like 3 tablespoons of butter, and then a little bit of oil, maybe 1 tablespoon. And then 5 cloves of chopped garlic. So when the garlic is turned light brown, I add like thumb of slice or chopped ginger root. So now the ginger root is ready. Please subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. So don't forget to post the notification bell every time I upload my video. You always updated. Thank you to all my silent viewers. Now we add the crabs. I cut half the crabs. So silent viewers, thank you for support my channel. Thank you so much, and for visiting my channel, and also my subscriber. Thank you so much, and to all, thank you for support my channel. Please subscribe and Thank you to all, and God bless. So by the way guys, I got my first payment in YouTube. Maybe total is the first payment is $118 equivalent in the Philippines is like 6,000 something, maybe 6,300 pesos. So it's not bad. Finally guys, I got my first payment of my YouTube salary, and I add oyster sauce like 2 tablespoons, and also the beef stock powder like 1 tablespoon, and also 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or white sugar. And then black pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. It's so yummy guys. I love this butter, garlic butter, and also ketchup, banana ketchup made from Philippines. Yeah, so now we have to simmer, add water, a little bit of 3 or 4 tablespoons of water. See? And now simmer it. By the way, is soy sauce seasoning, Norse seasoning, and add more sugar. Total 4 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar I add. So make sure I mix it well. So yummy guys, as you can see, super fat, or in other language is super taba. I'm hungry guys, I smell really good. So try this. It's very easy. If you follow the step, it's very easy ingredients. Just garlic, butter, and ginger. If you have onion leaves, you can add onion leaves, or if almost finished, you know. And then oyster sauce, soy sauce. If you want curry powder, you can add curry powder, and also brown sugar and black pepper. That's it guys. You can mix it shrimp or shells, whatever, or corn. So now guys, it's ready. It's cooked now. Now we're ready to serve. Transfer the clean plate. Subscribe, like, and please share and leave comment. As you can see, it's look very yummy and very tasty. So subscribe, likes, share, and leave comment. And don't forget to follow, post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you are always updated. Thank you to all my supporter, subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless. See you in my next video.